Today, we're breaking down the World Bank's game plan for Thailand's climate future. It's a big one. This report lays it all out. A key Southeast Asian economy is at a huge climate crossroads. So Thailand's economic dream is on a collision course with climate change. Let's get into it.
We'll explore the problem, the response, and the massive economic opportunity that's waiting.
So what's the problem? Well, Thailand is facing a triple threat to its people and economy.
And check this out. These maps show exactly who is most vulnerable across the country.
First up, devastating floods. We saw in 2011 just how immense that risk really is. And then there's the heat. Crippling heat waves could seriously impact health and productivity for millions. And finally, crippling droughts. Water scarcity is already a huge problem for farmers and industry. Okay, so to fight this, Thailand is launching a two-front response. Think defense and offense. The defensive playbook is all about adaptation, protecting cities, water, people, and farms from what's coming. And this really shows the offense in action, moving from fossil fuels to a renewable-powered future. This transition is absolutely vital. Why? Because the energy sector pumps out 2/3 of the country's emissions. And a core part of this plan is going electric with transport, really speeding up that shift to EVs. And this isn't just about survival. It's about grabbing a huge economic opportunity here. And the data shows that Thailand has the most untapped potential among its peers to export green tech. 3 key sectors are really poised to lead this green growth, playing to Thailand's existing strengths. But here's the catch. Making this green transition happen requires a pretty staggering investment. So, of course, that begs the obvious question, where's the money going to come from? The strategy is basically a blended approach: public spending, private capital, and yes, carbon pricing revenue. At the end of the day, this isn't just a cost. It's an investment in a more resilient future. So Thailand has this ambitious plan, but will it be enough to lock in that greener, richer future?